Okay, P Street Garage here, and I'm out on my Tacoma today, and I'm just going to show you what I'm doing with my lift kit. This is my 2016 Tacoma, and it's got a little bit of a lift kit on the front, and on the back it's got these airbags. But just recently, the shrader valve that inflates these bags broke off. Of course, these are the bags here, if you can see them. And they are completely collapsed. So nothing in those, just the leaf springs. And this was my shrader valve tied in with this little brass device here. This is just like a quick connect type that will go on to this plastic hose. Anyway, shrader valve was broken, so I just went out and bought a new one. I'm going to put this back together, and I'm going to pump this back up and see what kind of height I can get out of my rear end. Okay, this is a press fit. I literally just push this on, and then once this is separated, this will stay in place. So this should make the seal. Right now, without any air in my bags, the back of my bumper sits at about 22 inches, just on this lip here. So let's put 50 psi in this and see how much height I'm gonna gain. I've got my little compressor set up. Let's turn this on and bring this up to 50 psi and see what we get. Okay, so I got closer to 60 or 65 psi in there now. And as you can see, the bottom of my bumper went from 22 to almost 25 inches. So I have gained 3 inches of height. Okay, so I've got my rear bags pumped up to about 65 psi. I think they can handle 100, but I just don't see any need for that. And I'd be afraid to blow a line or a bag. I'm not even sure exactly what the brand is on this lift. That was on there when I bought it. But anyway, I've gained almost 3 inches in height. This is the stance I like on a truck. And if you watch any of my previous videos, you'll see that I also own a Mercury Marauder. And I like when my vehicles sit like this. And if you watch that video, you'll see that I put some big fat tires on the back to give it that rake. Anyway, that is my air suspension. Thanks for watching.